Hello, today I show you how to cook an octopus or pulpo. It is not difficult at all, it only takes some time, so let's start. First you wash it. Take care for remaining sand in the suction cups. Mine here was frozen and very clean. You put it into a pot that is just big enough for the size of the pulpo, cover it with water, add the juice of half a lemon as well as 1 bay leaf, or like here 2 small ones. Salt is not necessary. On high heat you bring it to the boil, and when it does, like here, you reduce the heat and let it simmer for 1 hour. It doesn't matter if the pulpo rises a little bit like here. In a while it will look like this. After 50 minutes you can test it for doneness with a toothpick. There shouldn't be any resistance when tearing it out. You take the pulpo out of its cooking liquid and put it on a carving plate. It has reduced in size considerably. First I halve it and cut off the stomach and the beak. Unfortunately, I cut through the beak, but I managed to remove it. Later, I cut off single legs. Now I'm preparing a quick garlic sauce with Greek yogurt. The peeled garlic is crushed under my knife and chopped through. With a good pinch of sea salt, it is ground, as well with the flat side of my knife. I repeated this until the garlic became pasty. You transfer the pulp into a bowl, fill in 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, stir and taste. If it is too salty, you add another spoon of yogurt. Other spices are not necessary. I will serve the pulpo with potatoes, which I'm roasting here. In another pan I'm heating olive oil and searing the pulpo for roasting aromas. Now it is time for plating. The pulpo legs are simply put on top of the potatoes. Instead of the stomach there is a dollop of sauce. Ready we are, there will be something to eat. I hope you like my video and will follow my channel. Times and ingredients are given in the description below. Have fun cooking this dish, and I wish you guten Appetit!